Now, to get things started, we have a lightning round of commitments. And as you listen to them, just remember, behind each one, there are real people, real faces, and real stories. Thank you very much.
I'm James Mwangi of Equity Bank. In Kenya, low transition, low secondary school completion rates, lack of access to financial services, and high unemployment rates deny many low-income people and women opportunities to escape poverty and realize their full potential. In 2010, we committed with MasterCard Foundation and the government of Kenya to provide financial literacy skills to more than 619,000 low-income youth and women and provide scholarships to over 672 secondary students. We are happy to report we have far exceeded our commitment goals with our partners. We have provided financial education to over 1,260,486 youth and women across the country, improving their financial practices and self-esteem of our trainees. Loan uptake has gone up 4 times, while savings have increased and loan quality improved. We have also provided comprehensive scholarships to more than 10,377 secondary students through our Wings to Fly program. These students have excelled in national exams, with 93% qualifying for university and a majority assuming leadership position in their schools and communities. Their performance have been nothing short of inspiring, validating our belief that given an opportunity, poor people are capable and industrious enough to work their way into prosperity.
My name is Maz Kessler. I'm the founder of Catapult. In 2012, only 7% of global funding went to organizations working on girls' and women's equality. To meet this challenge, Women Deliver committed to launch Catapult, the first crowdfunding platform for gender equality. Today, we're proud to report that through Catapult, now an independent organization, people around the world have successfully crowdfunded more than 430 grassroots and community projects in 86 countries, tackling issues like girls' education, gender-based violence, access to family planning, and ending child marriage. To help us achieve this impact, Catapult partnered with private sector brands and worked with committed celebrities who inspired their audiences to take action. Catapult's been a leader in transparency and accountability. Data collection and analysis are built into Catapult's DNA. We're energized every day by the work of the global feminist movement, and Catapult is grateful and humbled to support girls and women as agents of change in their own lives. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Pastor John Faison of Watson Grove Baptist Church in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm proud to be here in support of an effort to change the course of the HIV epidemic among African Americans. 1 in 16 black men in the U.S. is HIV positive. 1 in 32 black women in the U.S. is HIV positive. This is not just a health issue, it is a social justice issue. In 2013, the NAACP and Gilead Sciences partnered to scale the Black Church in HIV, the Social Justice Imperative, an initiative that enlists faith-based leaders like me to address the disproportionate impact of HIV on African Americans. We are breaking the stigma, engaging the conversation, giving access to resources, and providing hope. Today, I'm happy to report that through this commitment, more than 500 faith leaders and clergy have been educated on this issue. We have also ratified formal resolutions in 2 mainline denominations and worked with several predominantly black seminaries to train future faith leaders on HIV prevention. And we are on track to achieve our 2018 goal of conducting 45 trainings across the 30 U.S. cities with the highest burdens of HIV infections, as well as targeting rural areas via a virtual training manual, with the goal of ultimately reaching at least 1,125 faith-based leaders. This work is essential in incorporating the Black church in the fight against HIV and AIDS.
Because we do these in a lightning round, they all understate the impact of what they did. But I just want to say one thing. Chelsea and I personally were present with James Mwangi in Kenya with 5,000 of the 10,000 kids that were in the Wings to Fly program. They had a graduation rate from high school of well over 90%. And of the graduates, over 90% of them went to university. There are much more well-developed countries in terms of income that can't begin to match those numbers. And I just wish you could have heard the stories. They had 10 people talking, one Muslim girl, all with her headscarf on, saying she was just determined not to be told she couldn't go to school, determined she would finish. There was a young man who said, I spent a lot of time in jail when I was younger. I liked going to jail. At least I had a roof over my head and food to eat. These people are university graduates. That's what we can do. The tread lines are more important than the headlines. Thank you very much.